So I've already started cleaning this thing, but one of the first things I'm going to do is scan it for codes. If I was paying a decent amount of money for a new vehicle, I probably would have done that first. But this one was a good enough price that I wasn't too worried. So we do have the brake, ABS light, and the parking brake light. I'm not worried with those. I know the brakes need to be fixed. Let's look for our OBD 2 port, and you see it, it's right there. And I'm using a Bluedriver. This connects by Bluetooth to my smartphone. So I'm plug that in, connect it to the phone, and see what comes up. You can buy these on Amazon. I'm going to put a link in the description to that. Well worth the price. So just push it on till the blue light comes on and turn the key to the on position, but don't start the truck, and we'll scan it. Okay, we just hit scan codes, and we're reporting 0 codes, which is awesome. So basically just the read codes. No codes on this, that's good.